RotoMetrics has been recognized by the converting industry for the highest quality, flexible and solid rotary dies, print cylinders, magnetic cylinders, and other rotary tooling since 1957. The world headquarters for RotoMetrics is located in Eureka, Missouri, just minutes from downtown St. Louis in our 259,000 square foot office, fabrication, and warehouse complex. With 5 additional manufacturing plants and 6 sales and repair facilities in the Americas, Europe, Asia, and Australia, RotoMetrics is truly a global company. RotoMetrics is ISO 9001 and 14001 certified. Worldwide, we produce over 1,200 flexible and solid rotary dies each day. Over 400 of those flexible dies are manufactured at our facility in Meadows of Dan, Virginia.
On a day-to-day basis, my job function is to oversee the production, the product flow, and the employees for this facility. Through the 22 years that we have been making flexible dies at RotoMetrics, we've developed proprietary process steps that gives us an edge on our competitors to exceed their capabilities, and I'm confident that this site can provide the best flexible die on the market today. RotoMetrics operates in a lean manufacturing environment. This has opened up floor space to give us extra room for more manufacturing space. This helps us in our workflow and also helps us in our product steps to manage the most efficient product flow possible. We maintain a 98.5 on-time delivery percentage. With that, we also take same-day shipments up to 1:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, that when the order is booked, we ship it the same day. Meadows of Dan is a very critical part to the RotoMetrics family because of our tenured workforce, our highly trained staff, our commitment, our devotion to our customers, and our drive to exceed and do better.
RotoMetrics works in a lean business environment where the manufacturing process flows from one step to the next. What can take our competitors days, we do in 5 to 8 hours. The process begins when you place an order with a customer service rep who enters all your specific data into our comprehensive customer database and sends it to the pattern department. When the designers receive the data keyed in by the CSRs, they program it into a pattern that is then output to the shop for manufacturing. Preparation of high-grade metal sheets is the very first step in the manufacturing process. The metal sheets are cut to the size specified for each individual order. Our automated cleaning lines clean and degrease the metal sheets. After cleaning, the metal sheet goes to a computer-to-plate or CTP machine. This industrial inkjet printer lays down an image of the pattern with etch-resistant ink. Next, the sheet goes through a curing process where it is prepared to go to the etching machine. The curing procedure is accomplished through heat and UV light exposure. After curing is complete, the next process is a bath in a chemical etching solution. At this point, the metal plate is beginning to take on the blade formation of a flexible die. After several cleaning steps, the etch plate is inspected visually at a quality control checkpoint to assure that the etched die lines are devoid of any burrs or blemishes. The plate now goes to the precision finishing machine, where the die lines are sharpened to create the blade profile, giving it the height and level of sharpness to meet the specifications of the customer. RotoMetrics manufactures, services, and regrinds all cutting tools used at all RotoMetric Group manufacturing sites. Each month, we process over 78,000 tools at our Meadows of Dan facility. RotoMetric flexible dies can be laser hardened. This process increases the Rockwell hardness of the cutting tips by over 45%. This makes them more durable and extends the life of a die. To resist corrosion, all RotoMetrics flexible dies are either chrome or nickel plated. While chrome plating can help extend die life to as many as 1 million or more revolutions, nickel plating is a very cost-effective and efficient approach to prevent oxidation. Micro-adjustments to die thickness can be made on our back grinding equipment before every flexible die we manufacture is tested multiple times prior to shipment to ensure the stock is converted correctly. The shipping department at the Meadows of Dan facility ships over 400 individual dies every day. Flexible dies are quickly becoming an industry standard. RotoMetric flexible dies offer the longest life, highest accuracy, and most exacting tolerances of any flexible dies in the industry. Printing and packaging companies worldwide are realizing the cost-effectiveness and increased efficiency of RotoMetrics flexible and solid rotary dies. With manufacturing operations on 4 continents and the industry's strongest sales and technical support team, RotoMetrics is working harder than ever to be your preferred source for all rotary tooling needs. RotoMetrics, technology to convert ideas into reality.